Hey folks, today is Tuesday, September the 15th, 2020. Just wanted to show you a quick update on the silver trade that I initiated 2 weeks ago. It is developing quite nicely. You can see some numbers on the trade, and more importantly than anything, I just wanted to talk about the idea of not having to trade a binary idea, a light switch trade, something that works or something that doesn't. Whether you're buying something or shorting something, it's directional in nature. Probabilities are not always with you. And trades can be flexible. They can be fluid. They don't need to be static. They can be dynamic. So I wanted to show you some of the numbers on this trade. Initially, we put up about $11,000 to do this trade, brought in almost $3,300 of income up front on the trade. It is now sitting at about a 92% probability of profit trade. It's developed quite nicely over time here. Let's see, that is corn. We don't want corn. Here's silver right here. So you can see it's a pretty dynamic trade. There's a lot of stuff going on inside of there. If you look at it on a risk graph, that's a funky looking risk graph right there. But it's obviously designed to make money in a range. And that's the one thing that I want to stress is that buying silver because you think it's going up, man, it is going up. So maybe you make money, maybe you don't. I don't know. But it's nice to be able to have a range where you've got a 92% probability of success. This has a nice ramp to it here. I'm pretty much safe all the way up to 34 bucks a share here, but the ramp is in the $30 to $31 range. Yeah, we're probably stuck in this $3,300 profit target area. But if we could get in the 30 to 31 range, that could push us up to $10,000 to $13,000. Be nice to make $13,000 on an $11,000 trade with a really high probability of success like this. But I wanted to share this idea with you here that I know that looks complicated and adding all those different legs in there, but the idea that you can put up about $11,000, bring in $3,300 and do it with about a 90+% probability of success, that's what I guess I wanted to make as a point. And again, it has to do with trading ranges rather than directions. Now, granted, we've got 9 days still left in this trade. Anything can happen. And it usually does, but right now, so far, our silver trade looking really, really solid going into next week.